Breaking news as far as we are concerned, wherever you might be watching me, I welcome you to this exciting moment with Chigozie Ndibo. What is the breaking news? A few days ago, the chief judge reassigned another judge the case of Nnamdi Kanu to continue the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, as people expect that in no distant time that the case will resume. Eventually, there is a surprising development as the Justice John Tisoko, who was assigned or reassigned that case, said no, he has quit from that trial. He said no, he can't just ruin his own reputation on trying what is transparently flawed. This is what his position is, and he maintains that Nnamdi Kanu's rendition is illegal, and as such, his own counterpart, who reviewed the judgment of Nnamdi Kanu, gave their position and made their position very clear that discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu. That if the judges, his counterparts or colleagues' position or verdict could not be respected by the federal government of Nigeria, if they flout such verdict of the law of the court, and eventually what do they expect him to do? Otherwise, he could not dent his own image or reputation, of course, in order to uphold illegality and for whatever monetary inducement. This is what he has to say, and I read thus. Justice John Tisoko, the new judge assigned to Nnamdi Kanu's case, has quit. What is the reason of him quitting? He said Kanu was brought back to Nigeria from Kenya illegally, and because of that, he can't judge the case without going against his own beliefs. Do you understand what is happening? The judge pointed out that other judges before him had ordered Kanu's release, but the government ignored them. If they didn't listen to those orders, why would they listen to mine? He stated other judges, his colleagues, has ordered for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and the federal government of Nigeria failed to respect those orders. Now, what difference does my own order make? How do you convince me that they will also respect my own order? It is just a distraction, trying to buy time while the illegality continues. This he went further to say. He added that Nigeria must follow its own laws, and that keeping Kanu locked up without a good reason is wrong, not just for Nigeria, but for the whole world. I won't ruin my name by touching this case, Justice Tisoko said. It is clear what is right, and I won't let this mess up my reputation. People always remember justice. Humanity has a long memory when it comes to justice, and I will not risk turning mine with a matter so transparently flawed. Do you understand it? It is getting more clearer that Nnamdi Kanu, in the last court appearance, made it very clear that he's just been persecuted, not been tried, because there is no known court law within the Nigerian legal jurisprudence that he has flaunted, that he has committed any crime. And this development, of course, attests to the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. Now, the Justice John Tisoko said, if the federal government fail to keep the orders for the release of Nnamdi Kanu by other judges who has ordered for his release after a due trial review of the case of Nnamdi Kanu, they considered that the government of Nigeria was wrong by the extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu and eventually ordered for his release and compensation. But the government sat on it and was playing politics with it. He said, if government can ignore those orders for his release, which is still substantive, there is no other court that have challenged it or have proven otherwise or have convicted Nnamdi Kanu of any known crime within the Nigerian legal jurisprudence. I beg, of course, your pardon, I beg to disagree. There have not been any other courts. So that substantive court or order given by these judges still stands, regardless of whatever opinion, of course, any person might hold or sentiment. And ever since Justice Binta Nyako recused herself, other judges refused to accept the case even when it's being reassigned. This, of course, is the same line of position expressed by Justice John Tisoko. He said, I cannot dent my image. I cannot do what is against my own belief. I cannot destroy my reputation because humanity has a long memory when it comes to justice. And I will not risk standing with a matter so transparently flawed that the extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu has legally disqualified Nigeria from the continued trial of Nnamdi Kanu. This is his position. The reason why other judges ordered for his immediate release, discharged and acquitted, and eventually they are still holding him back. Let's have your own take regarding this development and what could be the way forward. The truth is coming, unless for those who want to live in denial. I think that is great development and commendation for Justice John Tisoko. Of course, humanity has a way of having a long memory when it comes to justice, and humanity will remember him for standing up for the truth, regardless of inducements, the pressure, or whatever intimidation he might be facing. Congratulations to Nnamdi Kanu, of course, and to all Biafrans in this victory. I call it a victory for humanity, victory for justice, victory for equity, victory for the oppressed. Let's see what else could be keeping Nnamdi Kanu after this development. Your take on this, let's get to know via the comment section. Have a great day.